welcome to my YouTube channel UrbanGROW. Today we are going to plant spinach from seeds. You don't have to have a big space for spinach. We can easily grow using a small container. It's a very easy process and it grows faster than you think. You can harvest spinach in about 5 weeks time. And also, I will give special tips for spinach growing at the end of the video. So let's get started. I'm using seeds from my garden, but you can also buy these from the market. You can buy the dried ones. If you are using fresh ones from your garden, make sure to use the dark color ones. Now for the soil, I'm using one portion of topsoil, one portion of homemade compost, you can also buy from the market, and half a portion of coconut husk. For coconut husk, you can actually use coco peat. You can either use at the bottom of the pot or you can mix with the rest of the mixture. Mixture is ready. Make small holes using your finger, put the seeds and cover with a thin layer of soil. The hole should be about half an inch. Water thoroughly and put in a partly shaded area. All 5 seeds have germinated and each of them have one set of leaves. I have kept 2 plants in this pot. They are 1 month old. As you can see, both of them have about 3 to 4 sets of leaves.